How to enable hidden features in iOS 18.3. So there are actually a lot of features in iOS 18.3. The first one is with the wallpaper. Go to your lock screen and tap and hold, then swipe to the very right and click on this plus icon. Now you will be able to see a lot of wallpapers that you can try. Here's a one called iOS 18. Additionally, there are other wallpapers also. For the other feature, tap and hold on your screen, select Edit at the top left corner and click on Customize. At the bottom, you can see light, dark, automatic and tinted. This will change your icon colors. You can also set up different type of colors for your icons. By doing this, you can customize each and every icon on your device. This will change all your app icons, including the icons inside your settings. You can also add the same value automatically in calculator. Type in once and simply keep pressing on the equal to button. This will repeat the calculation process. That's all for today. Thank you.